Welcome to Rohingya English Learning YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim. Today, I am going to tell you an interesting story of a fox and a cat who plan and loot a farm of a rabbit to steal a hen and a pumpkin, and they fought to David equally. Let's get started. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest in Mayu Mountain, Arakan, Burma, there lived a clever fox and a sly cat. They were not the best of friends, but they had a mutual understanding when it came to mischief. One sunny afternoon, the fox met the cat near a babbling brook. "I have a brilliant idea," said the fox with a cunning smile. "What is it?" asked the cat, her eyes narrowing with curiosity. The fox explained his plan to raid the farm of a rabbit that lived on the edge of the forest. The cat agreed, and together they sneaked towards the farm. They moved stealthily, careful not to make any noise that would alert the rabbit. As they reached the farm, they saw a fat hen pecking at the ground and a large, ripe pumpkin resting nearby. The fox licked his lips, imagining the taste of the juicy hen. The cat, on the other hand, was eyeing the plump pumpkin. They exchanged glances and nodded in agreement. The fox grabbed the hen with his sharp teeth, and the cat rolled the pumpkin with her paws. Quickly, they fled the farm and headed deep into the forest where they could enjoy their stolen goods without interruption. Once they felt safe, they stopped and began to discuss how to divide their loot. The fox wanted the hen all to himself, but the cat insisted on having a share. "I did half the work," argued the cat. "I deserve a fair portion." The fox, not wanting to share, replied, "I caught the hen, so it belongs to me." The cat's fur bristled in anger. "And what about the pumpkin?" "I carried it all the way here," she hissed. The fox, unwilling to relent, said, "You can have the pumpkin, but the hen is mine." This made the cat furious. "That's not fair." "We agreed to share everything equally," she protested. The argument escalated quickly. The fox snarled and the cat hissed, their voices echoing through the forest. Birds flew away from nearby trees, startled by the noise. They glared at each other, neither willing to back down. Finally, the fox suggested, "Let's ask someone to judge our case and decide what's fair." They set off to find a neutral party. They soon came across a wise old owl perched on a high branch. "Owl, we need your wisdom," called the fox. The owl opened one eye and looked down at the pair. "What seems to be the problem?" he asked in a deep, hooting voice. The fox and the cat explained their predicament, each presenting their side of the story. The owl listened patiently, nodding his head thoughtfully. After a moment of silence, he said, "You both have valid points. To be fair, I suggest you share the hen and the pumpkin equally." The fox and the cat looked at each other, realizing the owl's solution was the best way to resolve their dispute. Fine, grumbled the fox, reluctantly agreeing. The cat nodded, satisfied with the decision. They divided the hen and the pumpkin, each taking half. As they ate, they couldn't help but feel a bit of guilt for stealing from the rabbit. Maybe we should apologize and return something, suggested the cat, her conscience getting the better of her. The fox, though hesitant at first, agreed. It's the right thing to do, he admitted. The next day, they went back to the rabbit's farm. The rabbit was surprised but listened as the fox and the cat explained their actions and offered their apologies. To make amends, they promised to help the rabbit with chores around the farm for a week. The rabbit, seeing their sincerity, forgave them. During that week, the fox and the cat worked hard, helping the rabbit with various tasks. They found that working together for a good cause was much more rewarding than stealing. They even became friends with the rabbit, who was grateful for their help. By the end of the week, the fox and the cat had learned a valuable lesson about honesty and cooperation. They returned to their part of the forest, but this time with a sense of pride in doing the right thing. The tale of their adventure spread through the forest, and they became known as the reformed mischief makers. And so, the fox and the cat lived happily, having learned that sharing and working together was far better than any stolen treasure. Their friendship grew stronger, and they never stole from the rabbit or anyone else again. Instead, they helped their fellow forest creatures whenever they could, becoming beloved members of their community. And that's how the fox and the cat learned the true value of friendship and fairness, he said, looking at his attentive audience. This is the story of a fox and a cat. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe on our YouTube Rohingya English Learning channel. Assalamu alaikum. Make sure your environment clean and green. Study hard to achieve your goal.